morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Mine.
Good morning, SK, and welcome to a wonderful Tuesday. So far. My name is Shane.
And my name is Wyatt. Starting out, we apologize for the audio difficulties on yesterday's show, and we believe those problems are resolved. Starting out with today's show, let's start with some sports news.
Winter sports is right around the corner. Literally, next Monday is the deadline for registration. Quick note, make sure you have no fines in your account, because if you do, you are not eligible to compete. If you aren't competing in a winter sport, track and field conditioning starts tomorrow and is every day after school on the track. Reminder that men's and ladies basketball open gym continues today. Alongside men's basketball, here's Alejandro to give us the rundown.
Hey SK, winter sports season is quickly approaching, and that means it is basketball season. Coach Cox and Coach DeVoe are looking for players who are good academic students, coachable, hardworking, and passionate about teamwork. Coach DeVoe will be holding a study hall after school for those interested in playing basketball who need to get their grades up. Grades are an important factor in choosing teams. Study hall will be held after school today, tomorrow, and Friday from 2:15 to 3 p.m., with open gym to follow from 3 to 5 p.m. If you have any questions, see Coach DeVoe in room 317. Ladies, open gyms are continuing for you this week, both today and this Friday from 3 to 5 p.m. Remember that tryouts for both teams are next week. Girls, you'll take the court on next Monday and Tuesday. Boys, your tryouts will run a day longer, Monday through Wednesday next week. All players should check out the athletics office for questions, and don't forget to register for basketball on the SKHS Athletics website. Back to you guys in the studio.
Class of 2024 is getting a bit of treatment with their own merch. There's beanies, hoodies, sweatpants, and many more items to grab. So scan the QR code if you want to order something. Before we go to college news, here's Marissa to rant about the halls and what to do and what not to do in them.
Hey South, it's Marissa, and it has come to my attention that some of y'all don't know how to walk. Okay, that was a little dramatic, but for real, there is a method for how we can all get from one place to another, even with thousands of people walking through the halls. So here are 3 tips for you. First is the golden rule of walking through the halls. Walk. Keep walking and don't stop in the middle of the hallways. Need to tie your shoe? Move out of the main drag and then tie them. Or if you see a friend you want to chat with, you can walk with them, or you can just move out of the way and then you can chat with them. But here's a tip for that tip. If where you're walking has a black floor or people have to move around you to get from one place to another, don't stop there. Here's the second tip. Stay to the right. Stay to the right. Life is a highway, people. And just like the rules of the road, it's a really good idea to stay to the right when you're going through the hallways. And here's my third tip for y'all. Use the back staircase. If you're tired of traffic jams that occur on the main staircases, on the really big ones, then use the back staircase at the corner of the math and science hallways. It's a great way to get from point A to point B and to your next class without any traffic jams. It's often way less crowded and can give you easy access to your next class on the 2nd and 3rd floor. I hope those tips were helpful, but let's review. So first we have don't stop in the hallways, please. Second, we have stay to the right. And third, we have use the back staircase. Again, I hope these tips were super helpful, but at the end of the day, just remember to put one foot in front of the other. See you around, wolves.
Now for all students, the colleges paying a visit today are Wyoming Tech is here right now, and this afternoon will be the Army. UW Seattle will be by tomorrow. Seniors, more than a handful of colleges have their applications due in a few days, so make sure you know the deadline for the colleges you want to apply to. Alongside that, if you want some free money to go along with going to college, check with the Career Center. All right, seniors, the deadline for your senior photos to shove in this coming yearbook is approaching faster than you think. The deadline is December 1st, so if you want something nice for that photo, hurry up. You can send them in on the website tinyurl.com/SK22 yearbook photos, or send them an email at skrebelyearbook@gmail.com.
In club news, Spanish Club is still on schedule with watching Coco. Head over there if you want to watch. And the clubs meeting today are D&D, French, and Key Club. Tomorrow is ASB, Esports, GSA, International, Speech and Debate, and Spanish. Looks like that's all for today's show. I'm Shane.
And I'm Wyatt. Make sure to have some fun today and every other day. See you later, SK.
Peace.